Hey friends, if you wish to apply text effects in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. Select the text to which you wish to apply the effects. Now we have a style panel here. Other than this, I'll tell you the better way to do that. There is something called as text effects and typography under the home tab in the font section. You can simply click on it and add it. It is similar to word art. Okay, you can add this. It is very similar to word art and creating word art. You can also add shadows, or you can add outlines and reflections. Let me show you. So you can add a lot of typography and text effects. You can also add a certain glow to it. Okay, look at this. So there are a lot of text effects that you can add. All of these are in the text effects panel. You know what? Earlier we used to have the word art thing. We still have it, though it's hidden somewhere. I'll tell you, I made a separate video for it. But that word art has been replaced by text effects. So now you don't need to create a separate word art. All you need to do is that you can add effects to the text. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.